Good morning everyone, Johan Kleinans here. I am honoured to represent Limpopo region again this year in the men's veteran category. Really looking forward to it. In the background you will see Table Mountain. I'm currently here for work, and what an honour to be able to represent your province. The question to us was that what is winning together mean for you? For myself, as one of the skips, I'm really privileged to be able to play bowls. Winning together, when you come off the field and you know that every member of the team gave their best, irrespective of winning or losing. For me it is, you gave your best, and that is winning in itself for me. So again, what an honour to be able to play this amazing game. To everyone out there playing this year in the IPTs, all the best. Make sure that you enjoy each and every moment of it. It is a privilege. Thank you so much.